Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install SQL Server Management Studio SSMS 22 in Windows operating system. So let's see. Then go on this Microsoft.com site. Then you can download this recent version of SSMS 22. Click into this, and here you can see this is the size of file 4.2 MB, and the file is exe file. This is currently downloading. This SSMS that's exe file that's downloaded. Let's simply click on this file. Come from Microsoft Corporation. Let's click on yes button, and here let's click on this continue. So this here Visual Studio installer getting the things ready. The size is 37 MB. Now you can see SQL Server Management Studio 22. This here AI you can download. So this comes for GitHub Copilot and code tools. You can also get this for Git or this here hybrid. So there, this is important business intelligence. With the help of this, you can get their SSAS analysis service, integration reporting service. So this selecting there. After that, simply you need to click on this install. So now you can see SQL Server Management Studio 2020, and here this is updating the Visual Studio, and this will start download and install. SQL Server Management Studio 22 that install. Thereafter click on this launch button. So this here SQL Server Management Studio. Now you have four options. Let's select here escape for now, and this you can see SSMS 22 is opening. Now this place you can give their server name. You can give local host, or this place you can give system name or IP address. So connecting with the Windows authentication, let's select here trust certificate. Now simply you need to click on this connect. So by using Windows authentication, this here you are connected. Or let's disconnect connecting. So this time going to use their SQL Server authentication username SA, give their password. Click on this connect. This connected by using SA.